Hello everyone, Mrs. Booker here. I hope you're all safe and well during this difficult time. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all back in school in September. So I'm just going to share with you some information on what studying design and technology textiles looks like in year 9 at GCSE and some of the skills that you'll develop. If you weren't fortunate enough to study textiles in year 8 due to the school closure, please don't worry about that. You will get all the support that you need to succeed, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the learning experience. So in year 9, in textiles, we do a mini GCSE project called the Great Penistone Sewing Bee. Within this project, you will cover 4 sections, just like we do at GCSE. The skills you'll learn are creative design skills, understanding characteristics of different materials, learning how to use and adapt commercial pattern pieces, developing confidence in different types of skills, especially some of the more technical ones that we didn't get to look at in year 7 and 8, such as designing our own patterns, sublimation printing, laser cutting, CAD/CAM embroidery, etc. And hope that you have an enjoyable learning experience along the way. So here are some examples of current year 9 work. So we do our investigation pages where you look into concepts, you look into garments, you look into themes that really interest and inspire you for your own project. And looking at some design examples, again, you can see students have all gone in very different directions, using different techniques, different silhouettes, different garment types. And then here's some of the practical projects that our students made on the last rotation. So again, a wide variety of high quality products that they designed and created all by themselves. Now, looking forward to design and technology at GCSE, if it's something that you particularly enjoy at year 9, you can only select one of the design and technology option areas, but you can select food as an addition to them. So it might be that you really enjoy textiles and food and you'd like to take those together. You do basic core knowledge of all areas at GCSE, so it is beneficial for you to learn some resistant materials and some graphics in year 9 as well, if you know that you want to do a pure textiles GCSE. We do weight it at 50% coursework and 50% exam, so if you're a real practical student and you really enjoy that creativity, then taking a design and technology option is fantastic. So the benefits of mixing the materials is that you get a wider knowledge of materials. You can use them creatively in your coursework, a much wider variety of pathways for careers, and you get a real in-depth knowledge and understanding of materials and different types of skills you can use and combine together. Studying design and technology at GCSE provides a lot of transferable skills that sometimes people don't realise, and a lot of employees really do look for these. So critical thinking, creativeness, practical skills. So I know that there's a lot of people going into medicine at the minute, and there's been a big news article about them on the BBC saying that they lack the practical element of the job, especially if they're going into things such as operating in theatres. So that practical element's fantastic that you can develop from design and technology. There's also the technical skills, the elements towards engineering, the STEM link, so looking at science, technology, engineering and maths and how those 4 aspects link together for a lot of those amazing career opportunities out there. And the understanding of how the world works as well. It's one of the big things that you gain from studying design and technology at GCSE. And again, just to look at the combination of material areas you get to really look into at GCSE and you might be interested in. You might not have thought of some of these areas before. So again, just to share with you that you do 50% exam and 50% design and make. So we call this your NEA, so your non-examination assessment. We spend a lot of time working towards a different context that you select, and you design your own brief for that, and you can be really imaginative and creative. And this is an area that a lot of our GCSE students particularly like. So in textiles, here's some of the things that we look at that are specific to our special area. And I like to teach these in a way that's both practical and theory, so we can really get engaged as a group together. Here's some examples of some past practical pieces that our GCSE students have made. And again, as you can see, there's such a wide variety. You don't always have to make a garment as well. I have had quite a few students make storage devices. That might be like a mother and baby backpack. Someone produced a rucksack for somebody who was going on an expedition. So again, it's very open, the briefs, but just here's some of the fashion ones that I've put together. At GCSE, I do like to offer additional opportunities, and I'm always looking for those. We did London Fashion Week a couple of years ago, where students made their own garments. They walked them on the catwalk in London and was photographed in Vogue. That was fantastic. And we've done Dress a Girl Around the World, so charity event, looking at giving children in LEDC countries garments to wear that are, you know, handmade but made with love. There's many career opportunities within design and technology textiles. Here are just a few of them. And again, it's really important to say here that textiles isn't just for girls. We've had many boys study textiles in previous years and have gone on to different types of careers within fashion, not just fashion design. And you may love it so much that you stay with us and develop your skills further at A level. We have some fantastic garments produced at A level, and you can really get creative and produce some amazing outcomes. Thank you for your time. I look forward to seeing you all in September, and I hope some of you select textiles and we can get creative together. Stay safe.